So I'm on my land, and I saw this tractor and this dump truck go by. Decided to go up and try to see if they're dumping illegally on my land. Sure as shit sounds like they are, so let's go check it out. Yep, since I have lived here, I've seen evidence of the town dumping shit here, and I've asked them not to since I've been here for 6 years. And just to give you a idea of the scale and the size of the new amount of shit that was dumped, I saw 2 dump trucks come up here today, and they have dumped this massive fucking pile of shit and trash on my land, and I'm pissed. They don't come clean up every fucking bit of this. I'm gonna sue them. This is unbelievable. I mean, this is unfucking believable. Look at this. What are these, disposable wipes here? I mean, there's an aluminum can up there. They're dumping dirty trash fill from who knows where on my land, and I've had it. I mean, what the fuck, man? This is not the town trash dump. This isn't where you dump your shit. This is my land, you know? We're way further back than 5 feet off of the road. Way further back. We're officially on my land. We're on my property that pay taxes for and everything, and they're dumping shit on my land. Look at this. What the fuck, man? No. Here we are at the crime scene of an illegal dump site on my land. The town is responsible for this. Caught them red-handed the other day in a town pickup truck, dump truck actually. Misspoke there. And they have dumped shit over 29 feet onto my property. That's way more than the 5 feet off the road that the town claims that they own, right? So I've started putting up these posts here. And I obviously need a lot more of them and closer together, but on the posts, probably each post is going to be a no dumping, no trespassing sign. And I'm sending the town a demand letter tomorrow, giving them 5 days to come and clean this shit up. Every inch of it off of my land. Every inch. Every aluminum can. Every disposable wipe. Can you guys see those? There's blue disposable wipes down there. Trying to find the other aluminum can. Oh, there it is. There it is. That's a nice shiny aluminum can there. On my land, dumped here by the town. I can walk up to this tree trunk and I'll be like 5 feet up in the air. And when I moved here, you could walk to the base of the tree trunk because there wasn't a bunch of fucking dirty, contaminated fill dumped at the base of it so that it looks like the tree is growing on this hill when in fact it's really growing like 5 feet into this mound of shit that they've dumped here. This is way, way on my land. I mean, this is a 25-foot measuring tape, and it's maxed out over to my truck here, which is parked off the side of the road, partially onto the land. Yeah, every single one of these trees you could walk to the actual base and not be 5 feet up in the air. So, this has been dumped in the last 3 years, and I am royally pissed. I think they think they're expanding some turnaround without any sort of approval or meeting or asking the person who owns the land. This is the actual turnaround, and it's plenty big enough for a big truck to turn around right here. Going all the way off onto my land like this is not a turnaround. Don't you think a dump truck could turn around here? I mean, if it can't, then there's one sorry dump truck driver, right? So I don't think they need all of this over here to be fucked up to turn around a dump truck. The town's got 5 days to come pick up every inch of this from the time they receive my demand letter, or I will go to small claims court. Boy, have I had enough of this.